Today I am planning to install Elasticsearch on my Windows environment, but I want to use the Elasticsearch in Linux environment. For that, I'm going to use the features of Oracle VirtualBox. So here I already installed my Oracle VirtualBox. On top of this VirtualBox, I'm planning to install Ubuntu Linux distribution. So for that, I want to download the Linux binaries from this website. I already downloaded the file, so you can get the file. You can install desktop image or server install image, but I am going to use server install image binaries today. For that, the steps, we want to add a new virtual machine there. I am giving the name Elasticsearch and select the location which the files want to be stored. I'm going to select VirtualBox drive, this folder, and Elasticsearch. Here we want to give the Linux type and Ubuntu 64-bit operating system, and click next. Here at least we want to give 4 GB, but I am going to select 8 GB of RAM. Depending upon your PC configuration, you can check. At least you want to give 2 GB RAM. Then don't want to change anything here. Create next, next. Here we want to change the hard disk size. Whatever size we want to use in the Linux distribution, we can use it. I am going to use some 25 to 30 GB. Okay, create. So now the Linux box is created. Here we want to install the Ubuntu on top of it. For that, you want to click the newly created Elasticsearch box and click Start. Now the distribution will start. Here we want to select the downloaded file. So live server and click Start. So the binaries are executing in the background. It will start the installation soon. So the binaries are already copied. Now it's unmounting the CD-ROM. Now the installation will start soon. Okay, we want to select the language as whatever language. I'm choosing English and continue without updating. And the keyboard language, it's automatically selected as English. Okay, done. Okay, next. Here don't want to select anything, just you done, done. Use the entire hard disk. It's asking whether we want to use the entire hard disk. Yes, use it. Done. Yeah, done. Yeah, it will show, it will format and the data in the hard disk that choose size 34.40 GB. That the entire content it will erase it. Okay, no problem. You can erase it. We can give continue. Here we want to choose the name. I am going to give dbadmin. Whatever name you can give. Here Elasticsearch. For that I am giving ELK. ELK will be my server name. And again you can pick a username. I am choosing dbadmin. Give your password and tab key done. Install OpenSSH server done. Here you don't want to do anything, just click done. Now the installation started. It will take some another few minutes to complete the installation. Here we want to cancel, update and reboot. Okay, now the installation is completed. It's going to unmount the binaries which we linked. Now we press enter and again it will restart and reboot into Linux environment. Now it's rebooting into Linux. It's starting the Linux operating system. So soon it will start. Okay, now it started. Here we want to give the username what we give in during the installation process. So I give db admin. So I am giving that. So password is password. Okay, now it's booting. Linux environment is booting. Okay, now the Linux environment is ready and everything is okay. Now we can install Elasticsearch on top of this. Now our server is ready to install Elasticsearch. So now we are going to install Elasticsearch. First step to install Elasticsearch is we want to import the Elasticsearch PGP key. So the command for exporting the PGP key is wget dash q capital O dash https colon double slash artifacts dot elastic dot co slash gpg dash key hyphen elastic search space this pipe symbol then sudo tee set sudo apt key add space dash cross check the command once again. Okay, press enter. Okay, now it's imported. The next step is to install the apt repository. So before installing the apt repository we need to install the apt transport. So the command to install the apt transport is sudo apt-get install apt dash transport dash https. Just check the command 1 second and give install. Okay, it's installed and setting up the transport package. Yeah, it's completed. Now we want to install the apt repository. So for that we want to give the echo command. Echo quotes deb space https colon double slash artifacts dot elastic dot co slash packages slash sound.x slash apt space stable space main close the quotes space the tilt symbol sudo t hyphen a space slash etc slash apt slash sources dot list dot d slash elastic dot not dot slash 7 dot x dot list. Want to cross check the command once again. Echo deb https slash artifacts dot elastic slash apt stable main sudo t. Yeah, everything looks fine. We will press enter. Yeah, it's installed. Now we want to go to install Elasticsearch. For that, we want to give before installing the Elasticsearch, we want to give the update command. Sudo apt dash get update. Yeah, update is going on. Once this completed, we can install directly the Elasticsearch. The command for that is sudo apt dash get install Elastic Elasticsearch. Yeah, enter. Now the Elasticsearch is installing. It will take some 4 or 5 minutes to install. It will install very quickly. Okay, now the installation is completed. Okay, once the Elasticsearch installation is completed, now we want to edit the Elasticsearch.yml file according to our configuration. So for that, I am using Nano Editor. You can use any of your favorite editor. I am going to use a Nano Editor. So like this. This etc folder is the Elasticsearch installation folder. That's why I'm using the Elasticsearch.yml is in Elasticsearch folder, which is in slash etc folder. Okay, plus enter. So this is the Elasticsearch configuration file. We want to edit it carefully. Here we need to change the network.host to 0.0.0.0 so that it will allow connections from any servers. 0. And then the discovery.seeds that goes to our IP address. Yeah, here it is. Seed that goes to our IP address. Okay, now we want to edit the cluster.initial.master node to node 1. Because now we are going to start Elasticsearch in only one node, single node. So we are using node 1. And here we can open the port. 9200 is the default port which Elasticsearch runs. So here we can uncomment this port also. 9200. And the node name also we can uncomment. Yeah, node.name to node 1. Okay, control O to save, enter, and control X to exit. Okay, clear the screen. Now we can issue the command to check whether Elasticsearch is running or not. Before that, we want to add some system commands. So systemctl. Before that, we use sudo systemctl daemon slash reload. Yeah, daemon reload. Now use the same systemctl to start Elasticsearch dot service. Yeah, now it's starting the Elasticsearch service in our newly created Ubuntu server. It will take some few minutes to spin up. Yeah, now the service has started. We can check the service by the same command, but if change the start to status. Yeah, Elasticsearch is up and running. So Control C and enter. Now we want to check whether it's running or not. So for that we will use the curl command. Curl dash x get 127.0.0.1 colon 9200 enter. Yeah, now it's running. So in this video we see how that we install Elasticsearch on top of Ubuntu server. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you guys enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video.